Cool. Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of, trying to get Polynote and Zero-to-Jupyterhub launcher to work together. Uh, so, I, I honestly, um, okay, yeah, this is part 6, also known as, oh God, this is taking a long time. Um, That's okay. That's okay. We're gonna succeed eventually. Just maybe not quickly. And while this is part 6, this is attempt 17 at building the container. And I'm optimistic that we might be able to get it done before we get to attempt number 20. I think we're there. Um, so from what I remember from the last time I was looking at this, um, is essentially the static URI. I think so. The normalize function that I wrote, we're gonna go find that normalize path. So I didn't have this strip suffix on it last time, and so essentially, I think what was happening is it was taking everything away, and that was sad. And so because it was taking away the slash, the trailing slash, it wasn't going to match this normalized path correctly and fall through to static. And so I think that's why it was failing. It was succeeding for index.html because there's special logic for index.html. But I'm hoping, yeah, whatever. I'm hoping that we fixed it. I'm also aware that I've hoped that we fixed it several times. The other thing that I did is I realized, you know what, I don't think we need to do this. And so I made 2 changes at once, which is always sort of a mediocre idea, but I'm optimistic that we can use the build, the npm build from the container. This is my theory. And yeah. Uh, uh, let's hope it works. So on that note, we're gonna go here. R17. Fuck yeah, party. I think that's the one that we just pushed, yeah. R17 is the one that we just pushed. And so now let's go ahead. Over here, we're gonna go get pods. Still pod initializing. It's most likely it's pulling down the container right now. Oh, it says started. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. So this is solid. It's actually succeeding at serving most of the files. The WS part isn't working. So we've made progress, but we still have an issue. Oh my god, we got the UI! We got the UI! Sorry. I'm progress. Oh, interesting. 403 forbidden. That's hmm. That's weird. I'm confused. But we're gonna create a notebook called butts. Okay. More butts. Okay. So not surprisingly, it's not working Although I'm really confused why we went from a 403 to a 404. That doesn't make sense to me. Hmm. Let's go take a look at the WS. Okay. Okay, so this... Oh, let me go get that really quickly. I got it. Oh, you got it. Okay. Okay. Hmm. So... Okay. So I'm very confused. Let's go ahead. We're gonna go shift reload. Okay, and it's saying 404 not found. Oh, here we go. That is why I forgot to normalize the path on the WebSocket. Okay. Unfortunately, this means that we have to do like the full build, and that takes a metric forever. Like a very, very long metric forever. So I think what we'll do is we'll definitely kick that off. Over here, we're gonna bump 17 to 18, and I've got another thing that I'm gonna do while this is running. But this is good. This is like progress. The UI comes up, and the UI has not come up before. So I'm really stoked. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. I mean, it's not all the way there, but like, oh my god, progress. We have the UI. Oh, this is. Oh god, I'm a nerd, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited that the UI launched. Like unreasonably so. What was the other thing I was gonna do? Oh yeah, Docker stacks. So I was gonna go to the Docker stacks PR that I raised a while ago. And it looks like they want more than I'm willing to do, but I'm gonna try and do a little bit more and see if I can have that be okay with them. And honestly, I don't know if that's going to be true or not, but at the very least, it'll make my life easier. So that's the one that matters. So the one here that failed, yeah, was once again the R stuff, which, honestly not surprising. So here we go. And I don't know R, and frankly, I don't really want to learn, if that makes sense. Like, it's great. I know lots of people that love it, but I got too much shit to do. And that is fine. That is fine. Okay, so here we go. Makefile. So that's all images. ARM supported images is going to be equal to, I think, base notebook, minimal notebook, so I think we can realistically get this much working. And so here, what I'm going to do, so that's all images. x86 only. So that's going to be our notebook. Actually, yeah, fuck it. I don't, TensorFlow notebook and SciPy, like, yeah. Yeah. So, these are images and cross build. These are images we can cross build. These are images that aren't currently supported for cross building. Your help is welcome. And all of the images. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that, and we're also going to get rid of that. We're just going to always have so so for each in ARM images, build cross. So platform is going to be Linux/AMD64, Linux/ARM64, and then this is what we're going to do here. Okay. So this is a bit of a hack, but like I think, oh yeah, okay, dash dash. Linux/AMD64, and we'll call this one x86 images. And then what we'll do is, there was an example in this, was it that? Where is it? Okay, is it, here we go, release.yaml. So, oh yeah, thanks. Thanks, Sir Rotor. Actions, workflows, Docker, there we go. Okay. So here we go. This is going to set up okay, oh, let's go find Docker login. Okay. And I don't think we'll need this part anymore. So let's let's try this. Huh, okay. Okay. Hmm. What if I do this? Nothing. That's weird. Oh, okay. That makes sense. ARM images, x86. We'll replace ARM images with cross images. That. Okay. Replace that with build cross. Okay. Oh yeah, and then build image size. We are gonna. Okay, this looks like it's working. So actually what I'm going to do is we're going to, because I don't, let's go take a look at the test step. So we're going to go build test all. We'll see, because I would like ideally just want this to work. Well, we'll see if that succeeds or not. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, cool. Still fine. Yeah, okay. And this is just because we're installing pandas in. Actually, we could be installing pandas in both of these things right now. I don't know. My guess is we're installing pandas here. Oh, maybe, maybe not. Oh, I was gonna put on music. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So, miniature progress, I would say. Miniature progress. We've got music. We've got interesting. We're installing Text Live. What? Oh yeah. This is we're testing out my change to Docker stacks. And here we're gonna run the setup tools. So then over here, um, oh yeah, this is gonna take like ever. I wish this was faster. Hmm. Okay. I oh no, because we get the requirements file from. Hmm. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna make this faster, even though it's not ideal. So, um, first create. First, build the website with npm. Static. Build. Okay. Copy over the requirements early so that we can cache this layer better. This is my belief. I am uncertain as to if this is going to work. So we can catch this layer better. So we can catch this layer separate from polynote dist. Okay. And that is npm install npm run dist. Okay. There we go. I think that's more accurate build instructions. We're going to just bump this to 19. No, it's still 18 because we haven't actually gotten to it yet. Yeah, that's fine. And yeah, this is starting over, but I think it'll make it faster in the future And while I'm hoping that we don't have many of these left, I'm also aware that like my belief that we don't have many of these left is almost always wrong. Okay, cool. So here we go. Boop, 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 boop. This is the Makefile. SciPy notebook. Okay, SciPy. Uh, okay. Let's take a look at what exactly it is. SciPy notebook. What do you install? You probably install a lot of shit. Yeah. Fine. I hope that works because I would like the Spark notebook to work, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be depending on the SciPy notebook. Yeah. Okay. So that's our problem. We need to hopefully, and I'm not putting in the TensorFlow notebook because the TensorFlow stuff is kind of annoying on ARM. It's doable, but like I don't want to be the one who ports that. I want someone else to do that. Someone who cares about TensorFlow. Okay. 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 Installing dependencies. Looking good. Looking good. This is going to take a while. But the theory is now that we've moved it up above and we're just copying the requirements file, I think, provided the requirements.txt doesn't change, Docker buildx will be smart enough to cache that build layer for us. And that would really, really simplify my life. Or at least hopefully speed up my life in the future. I still think this is going to take a while, though, but we might as well try and get some other things working. Yeah. While we're waiting. Okay. So I think I'm optimistic that this one's going to work. Admittedly, this optimism has no real basis in reality, but that is okay. I am pretty used to it. Yeah. This is going to take a really long time. So I'm hoping if the build test thing works, I can update that PR, and then probably we'll wrap it up, and I'll do a part 7 where we try this. But let's hope that this works because yeah, there's always the chance that what I believe works is not the case. Hmm. 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 Okay. AMD1 succeeded. Wait for the ARM1 to succeed. For SciPy Notebook latest. Okay, yeah. So this actually could very well run into some pretty serious problems. And this is actually also probably going to slow down this thing, which is the main thing that we're doing, which is trying to get the polynote notebooks working. That's okay though. That's okay. Moderate progress. Oh, my neck. Oh. Okay. Hmm. So slow. Maybe if I get coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee. Let's take a look. Hello. I am back with coffee. Oh no. Oh, this is not good. Okay. Fuck it. I don't want to spend my time on that. So we are just going to go ahead and move SciPy notebook up to x86 only. Like, it's totally possible to cross build. I'm not the person to I hope this works. Oh. There we go. It needs to do the push step because of how we do the metadata stuff. I think this is my belief that's what the problem was. For a stack on AMD 64 and ARM 64. Let's just go. Okay, so this is looking good. Progress. How's this one? Slow, but progress. I think time will tell. Okay. Which one are we building? Minimal notebook. Yeah. Okay. Progress. Thinking. Yes, much thinking. Exporting layers. I mean, I'm confused why exporting the layers is taking this long. Normally this part doesn't take super long. But you know, oh, thanks Ramon and Gashok. Everyone. Okay, cool. Okay, so now it's building the x86 specific containers, and we'll make sure that those ones get built correctly too. But it looks like it built all of the combined containers, right? Which, to be fair, there's only 2 of them right now. But you know, that's progress. And we shall see. Hopefully now, this should leave my, like, ARM machine. Yeah, so it's got 1 core just dedicated to pip installing pandas. I dig it. Yeah. So that's going to take a while. But yeah, well, hopefully this will go faster now that we're just running on x86 because, like, my x86. Oh, damn it. Is it stuck on just 1 core? Yeah, it's stuck on using just 2 cores, which is rough because there's so many cores that it could be using. I don't know. I get it. Sort of. I wish I could provide more hints to conduct, but that's all right. What was I gonna do? Send an email. Okay. Oh, cool. So the R notebook did succeed. So now it's just the SciPy notebook. So that's solid. Okay. I mean, that means the image built at least, because we're down to exporting. So that's solid. So I think this might be okay. We'll see. Let's take a look at what the test is. Yeah. Yeah. This is just going to take a really, really long time because it's limited to 1 core. Single-threaded things are always rough. Because, yeah, we keep adding more cores, but they're not getting any faster, really. Okay. Oh, this is installing protobuf. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is going to install TensorFlow. So there's a good chance that that'll take a while, because that's not a small package. And if it has to compile anything from source, that's going to be painful. But at least that'll run on my x86 box, which has a lot more memory. Okay. Oh, no. So that was probably a binary installation, because that was just 52 seconds. So that's solid. Looking good. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Totally. That is a great question. So, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the Jiras in Spark really quickly. And we'll look at the Kubernetes one specifically. If you don't have an account on issues.apache.org Jira, you should definitely get one, because that's where we track all of the issues. Of course, unfortunately, sometimes it's slow. Although that could be my computer right now, because we're asking it to do a lot. Okay, there we go. This was changed over. So what we're going to do is we're just going to search Spark Kubernetes. Looks like, huh. This could be interesting. This one could be solid. Oh, wait, no, it's closed. Okay. Closed duplicate. And status equals open. Okay. Kubernetes fabric exception with Scala programs in Spark 3. Okay. Okay. So, one option could be upgrading Fabric 8. Let's take a look. Support flex volumes. Yeah. Executor pod. Oh, interesting. Kubernetes driver pod not deleted after finish. I mean, we do have this. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, I think. Yeah, I mean, tolerations in pod template. Ooh, let's skip that. Oh yeah, this is painful. We'll skip that one. Huh. What? Yeah, okay, we're not going down this roll. Oh, volcano. Okay. Reload. Yeah, so this is something that I'm working on. I actually have a meeting about it tonight. If you're interested in that, like, definitely come join us on this one. What about execute pod lifecycle? Wait. I don't. No. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. If you're running in client mode, notebook, does this matter? Prevent incomplete. Oh. Yeah, this one could be good. This one's probably a good low-hanging fruit. Yeah. Cool. Let's take a look. Okay, so the TensorFlow notebook, data science notebook, looking solid. We haven't gotten to the tests yet, but it's looking solid. Yeah, this one could also be this one. Not too bad a starter issue. And so the reason why I think that one might not be too bad is you're going to essentially be doing something similar to, yeah, and so there's this easy workaround. You could just, yeah. Let's take a look here. This one is probably interesting, but I would say it's not a great starter issue. I'm gonna. Actually, I'm already watching this. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Yeah. So, yeah. Add support for. I mean, we have it. I'm actually going to go ahead and close this issue. Resolve issue. Won't account fixed. Yeah, we can't change the service account of a running pod, which in client mode is what we're inside. So that's cool. I mean, this already works. Oh yeah. So when it says effects version 3.0, so it doesn't necessarily mean that it's been fixed in more recent releases. That tends to just mean that that's like the version where the person was trying it out and it wasn't working. It most likely affects more recent versions, but it's worth validating that it hasn't been fixed, because sometimes you know, things get fixed. I think this one could also be interesting. No, I would just work on the master version, the master branch, and if it's fixed in the master branch, just go back into the ticket and say like, hey, I can't reproduce this. It seems to be fixed in the master branch, because like we're probably not gonna backport stuff. Yeah. Okay. How are we doing? Okay. So, pytest command not found. Okay. Pip install pytest. Generally what we do is we work in the most recent version, and then we backport fixes if they're bug fixes. If they're feature improvements, then we don't normally backport them. Okay, so we're gonna add pytest to conda. Cool. I'm excited to have more people working on Spark on Kubernetes. Definitely like feel free to reach out if you get stuck on things. Oh yeah. Okay, which conda sudo opt conda. Okay, I think this will do the trick. Okay. Okay, cool. We'll install the requirements for the dev, and hopefully now we can do make test all. Okay. Cool. Looking solid. Looking pretty solid. Okay. Yeah. This looks like it's working. Which is good. Oh, I wonder if I actually made the coffee or if I just ground the coffee beans. No, I think I made the coffee. Okay. So we're still doing the base notebook tests. Yeah, whatever. This is probably fine. I'm actually just gonna do refactor the Makefile. And the refactor the Makefile to support cross-building images incrementally. Add arg owner to the Docker files. So easily push to their own. Add Docker buildx and ARM64 support to the CI. So we will see if this does the trick in the CI. And I'm hopeful it does. You know, yeah. Actually, I think we can simplify that build test all. So build yeah. Simplify build test all rule. Okay. So I'm not completely sure. I'm optimistic that this will probably work in CI. Meantime, this step over here, this is going to take a long time. We know that from previous runs. And so I'm actually going to take this as a time to go drink another cup of coffee, maybe go for a walk, and yeah, just sort of explore and have a chill afternoon. A friend of mine has sent me information about something that's coming to the Sanrio Cafe. And so I am thinking about maybe making a road trip down to LA because I would like some really cute Sanrio themed drinks because I'm a sucker for Sanrio. That being said, thanks everyone for joining. As always, I'll probably be back this afternoon. Once this image is built, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that we're close, right? Remember the magic that we got to today. Specifically, I just want to here. We finally got the polynote UI to come up. It doesn't work because the WebSocket stuff is not handled correctly in my code. But let's focus on the fact that we've made progress, and that's awesome. So thanks everyone for joining me. I'll see you all around.